locals. I don't know what the sound's gonna be like on this, but I'm gonna try it. I'm just going down the road trying to get on down over there to Illinois, you know, but I'll make it short and sweet. Damn. This camera looks like makes my flag look fucked up. That's alright. That's alright. I might fucking put up my Jeff Gordon flag. It ain't the one, it ain't the colors I wanted. I was looking for this yellow flag, you know, that Rainbow 24 flag that he had. I was looking for that one, but I'll run across that red and black one. That's alright. I'll deal with that for right now. But, I thought about flying my Confederate flag, but I decided against it for right now. I know one thing. I need to get. Oh, wait a minute. I know what I can use. I don't want to use straight pins all the time, but bulldog clips would work, wouldn't it? They should be styled enough. I got it up there with clothespins right now. But hell, all I gotta do, I mean, they're so light, it's that damn nylon shit. So I'll get me some bulldog clips, and that way I can swap them out a little easier than using straight pins. So anyways, well, let me shut this off, and I'm gonna see how the volume is, and if it's alright, I'll go ahead and post this. So, y'all know if it does okay. Bye.